Good morning, students. Today we read chapter 14, Ladder of Success. Let's read the chapter. Being successful means achieving greater heights and becoming a well-known personality. Everyone wishes to succeed in life, but for many it remains a dream only. But for few, this dream turns into reality. Now, what is the reason behind this? The thing that all need to understand is that people do not become successful in a day. These people saw the dream of being successful and then continued to put in efforts despite all obstacles, hardships, and difficulties. They faced many trials and tribulations but did not stop working. Students, being successful means becoming a well-known person and achieving heights. अपनी लाइफ में सभी सक्सेस होना चाहते हैं, बट नॉट फॉर ऑल दिस ड्रीम कम्स ट्रू. Only few people are able to accomplish it. People do not become successful in a day. Only after many obstacles, hardships, and difficulties they become successful. The path to success begins in our childhood. The path that needs to be followed counts a lot as path is the means that leads to an end termed success. Also important is to follow that path with honesty. Another important thing is to take the first step. Many people want to achieve fame but they never take the first step. Taking this first step is vital as it begins the journey. Thomas Alva Edison wanted to be a scientist. For that, he needed money to carry out the experiments. In order to collect that money, he sold newspapers in trains and even worked in a printing press. Sunil Dutt, the famous film star, lost his father in late 20s. He traveled from Haryana to Mumbai in search of a job. He had no money, hence he did all kinds of jobs, including that of a bus conductor. Thereafter, he got a job of a radio broadcaster with Radio Ceylon. His film career began in 1955, but he got fame later after the release of Mother India. Thus, all these people took risk and took the first step, the most important step of any long venture. Students, सक्सेस का जो रास्ता है वो हमारे बचपन से ही स्टार्ट हो जाता है and we should follow the path with honesty. Many people want to achieve success but they never take the first step. So it is very important that to start the journey of success, one must initiate. थॉमस एल्वा एडिसन वो साइंटिस्ट बनना चाहते थे, लेकिन उनके पास एक्सपेरिमेंट्स करने के लिए पैसे नहीं थे. So he sold newspapers and even worked in printing press to earn money for his dream. ऐसे ही जो फिल्म स्टार मिस्टर सुनील दत्त, उन्होंने भी अपना करियर जब स्टार्ट किया तब उन्होंने बहुत सारी डिफ़िकल्टीज़ का सामना किया. ही केम टू मुंबई फ्रॉम हरियाणा विद नो मनी फॉर अ जॉब. आफ्टर मैनी हार्डशिप्स ही गॉट अ जॉब ऑफ अ रेडियो ब्रॉडकास्टर. ही स्टार्टेड हिज फिल्म करियर इन 1955, but he got fame only after the release of movie Mother India. So all these people faced many difficulties and obstacles in their path of success, but they did not stop to work hard. Many people keep postponing taking the first step. Fear of failure, desire of postponement, inability to take risk, and various other distractions prevent them from doing so. As a result, success takes a back seat. People who want to achieve success must learn to value one very important thing, that is time. A day has only 24 hours. While some perform many activities during that time, some do little or no work. They waste today in worry over yesterday or daydreaming about tomorrow. People who have success in mind select a goal and then pursue it with heart, mind, and soul. Regular efforts are a must to achieve success. Doing anything regularly becomes a habit, and good habits shape our lives. Only setting a high goal is not sufficient. Regular practice is also needed to achieve it. स्टूडेंट्स, बहुत सारे लोग ऐसे हैं जो कि फेल होने के डर से फर्स्ट स्टेप नहीं ले पाते हैं, एंड ड्यू टू विच देयर सक्सेस टेक्स अ बैक सीट. वो लोग जो सक्सेस होना चाहते हैं अपनी लाइफ में, उनको टाइम का पता होना चाहिए, टाइम की वैल्यू का पता होना चाहिए. Often it is seen that those people who remain idle or are procrastinators just lost the opportunity. So to achieve success, we should be regular with our hard work. Only setting a high goal is not enough to become successful. Opportunities seldom come twice, so some people understand it fully and take all the pains to make the best use of them. They do everything well with great interest, thereby achieving one milestone after another. This helps them to reach heights and gain success one day. Therefore, they are seen on the top of the ladder of success. Those who intend to be successful must stop delaying or postponing tasks, as this the detrimental to success. They must take quick decisions and keep moving with zeal. Indecisions and slow movements cause confusion and hamper progress. Those who wish to achieve success must think positively, move quickly, think promptly, and keep moving with the blessings of God Almighty. With self-confidence and good habits, nothing can stop a person from achieving success. Students, जो opportunities हैं वो कभी कभी मिलती हैं हमें. So those people who understand it fully and grab that opportunity with great interest are only seen on the top of the ladder of success. Those people who do not delay their tasks and think positively with the blessings of God surely achieve success. So with self-confidence and good habits, nobody can stop people to achieve whatever they desire for. Let us know about some people who have risen above ordinary and made an indelible mark in different spheres. So some examples of people who have made spectacular mark in their respective spheres with their dedication and focus are Sania Nehwal. Sania Nehwal. She is an excellent badminton player from Haryana. She has been the first Indian woman to reach the singles quarter finals at the Olympics, the first Indian to win the World Junior Badminton Championships, and the first Indian woman to win the Indonesian Open Super Series. In 2009, she was ranked among the top 10 in the world by the World Badminton Federation. So students, Sania Nehwal, she is an excellent player of badminton from Haryana. She has been the first Indian woman who reached to single quarter finals at the Olympics, won World Junior Badminton Championship, and the first Indian woman to win Indonesian Open Super Series. Next is Abhinav Bindra. He is an ace shooter from Punjab. He made India proud by winning the first individual gold medal for the country at the Olympic Games in 2008. It was after 28 years that India won a gold medal at the Olympics. So, Abhinav Bindra, he is an excellent shooter from Punjab. In 2008, he won gold medal at the Olympics for the country. Next is Vijender Singh. He is a boxer from Haryana. At the age of 24, he won the first ever Olympic medal, bronze, for an Indian boxer in 2008 Beijing Summer Olympics. He also won a bronze medal at 2006 Asian Games in Doha. He has been felicitated with many awards, one of them being Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award, India's highest sporting honor. Vijender Singh, he is a boxer from Haryana. In 2008, he won first Olympic bronze medal in Beijing Summer Olympic in 2008. He also won bronze medal at 2006 Asian Games in Doha. A.R. Rahman. He is a noted musician, composer and singer from Tamil Nadu. He brought India to limelight of world cinema at 2009 Oscars when he won 2 Academy Awards for Best Original Music Score and Best Original Song for the movie Slumdog Millionaire. He has won 13 Filmfare Awards, 4 National Film Awards and a BAFTA Award and a Golden Globe Award. He also got Padma Shri Award. Time magazine placed him in the Time 100 list of world's most influential people in 2009. So students, A.R. Rahman. He is a famous musician, composer and singer. He is from Tamil Nadu. In 2009, he got an Oscar Award. Oscar awards are an international recognition of excellence in cinema. He won 13 Filmfare Awards, 4 National Film Awards, Padma Shri Award and many more accolades in his field. Parimarjan Nagi. He is a young chess grandmaster in 2005. He scored his third and final IM norm at the International Open in Spain that made him the world's youngest international master in chess. He became the youngest Indian to win the coveted title of Grandmaster in 2006. So Parimarjan Nagi, he is a chess grandmaster. He is the youngest Indian who won the title of Grandmaster in 2006. Yugratna Shrivastava. She became the first Indian girl to address the UN conference held in 2009. She brought laurels to India by speaking on the topic climate change. There were about more than 100 world leaders, including the former US President Obama and the former UN Secretary General Ban Ki-moon. So students, Yugratna, she is the first Indian girl who addressed the UN conference held in 2009 by speaking on the topic climatic change. Among many world leaders who attended that conference was former US President Obama. All of them have been successful due to hard work, determination and innovation. Success does not depend only on talent or opportunity, but also on concentration and perseverance. So students, by these above examples, we can conclude that hard work, sincerity and focus can make us achieve success. So success does not only depend upon the talent or opportunity, but it needs a lot of concentration and dedication. So moral of the story is, a key ingredient of success is the positive mental attitude. Means to achieve success, we must have positive mindset, move quickly, think promptly and work wholeheartedly. Thanks and have a nice day.